Hello students of 9th class. I am Rizwan Latif and I welcome you in my first lecture. This lecture is just an overview of the syllabus which will be covered during this year. Before moving towards my lecture, I would like to ask you all to click the like and share button, as well as for those who joined us for the first time, may also click the subscribe button and bell icon so you will get notified and never miss any new lecture as it uploaded. Welcome back students. You can see the first page of your book on screen. Actually, this book is same for the whole provinces and all the boards situated in all these provinces. So the students living in any part of the Pakistan may be able to learn from my lecture. I have written different type of questions from this book, and these are available in soft form, but I will never be able to hand over to you, but I will show you these notes on screen during my lecture. Basically, I have more than 18 years experience of teaching computer subject at various levels, from school level to college level up to BSc and BCom classes, and I have also different type of objective questions which I will share with you at the end of every chapter. So now come to the contents of your book. As you can see, the very first lesson in your book is about the introduction to computer. So you will learn about the computers, you will learn from the definition of the computers, and then different types of computers according to their history, size and capability to work. Basically, this book is mostly about the hardware and the functionality of the computer. The second unit is about the components of the computer. In this lesson, we will learn different parts of the computer. These parts may be inside the computer or outside the computer. The third unit is for input and output devices. In this unit, we will learn such type of devices which may be connected outside the computer system, but these may be input or output devices. The fourth unit is storage devices. In this unit, we will learn about such type of devices which may be able to store different types of data. And in the fifth unit, this is not directly involved to the physical components of the computer, but this is basically the number system which is used inside the computer system and on which the computer system may work. The sixth unit is also about numbers, and these are the Boolean algebraic numbers. And then the seventh unit is computer software. Basically, computer software which is in this unit is Microsoft DOS, which is operating system, and in this unit we will learn how computer works and why some type of operating system is necessary. And the last unit is about Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is also an operating system, but this is very different to Microsoft DOS in such a way that Microsoft DOS is command line user interface while Windows is graphical user interface. So students, inshallah, we will start from the very beginning of the book, from unit number 1, that is about the computers, and the unit name is Introduction to Computers, as you can see on the screen. But we will start it in our second lecture. So if you have any question regarding today's topic, or maybe in the further lectures, if you want to ask any question, you can by typing your question in the comment section, and I will try my best to satisfy you by giving its answer. Thank